Before we begin, please click on the subscribe button for more updates and upcoming videos.
I have been using this method for 4 years now. This is an alternative to traditional chlorine and bromine sanitizing systems. This method will improve the look, feel, and smell of spa water by reducing the need for sanitizing chemicals. It is as simple as dropping into your spa's filter. To sanitize your hot tub or spa, you just follow these simple instructions. First thing to do is to drain and refill your spa. Next, put chlorine and install the Nature Spa. You can take a look at these products by clicking on the link in the description below. After that, put MPS into the tub, which is the non-chlorine oxidizer, before each use. Every 2 weeks, check pH and alkalinity of the water. Repeat these steps every 4 months. My wife often comments how good of a job I do, keeping the water fresh and clear. Little does she know, I don't do much of anything anymore, since I started using this product. If you would like to get some of the items mentioned in this video, or probably any products that you are interested with, you may follow the link in the description below.